San Jacinto South presents ASL Animations, presented by Karen Pugh. Introduction. Made by VCOM 3D, an educational software company that has been around since 1998, as animated GIFs and videos of signs. Who can use this? People with hearing impairments, deafness, teachers who have students with this disability in their class, and it's mostly targeted towards elementary students and teachers due to basicness of vocabulary. Children with deafness or hearing impairments usually fall behind in the world of knowledge and language capabilities. During this time, children should be asking why a lot, and parents who do not know how to sign fluently before their students reach school cannot sufficiently communicate with their children, so they come in with more potential educational fallbacks. Product preview. ASL Animations is a program that makes animated GIFs and videos of sign language accessible for teachers to put in their lessons. ASL Animations has 5 volumes and is compatible with Windows and iOS. These GIFs are able to be put into PowerPoints, websites, and more programs. It features the sign only being played once or on loops, which means you could do a quiz with it or you could teach with it. And it includes 6 diverse young animated signers. And the first volume is About Me, Time, Feelings, Holiday. Volume 2, Animals, Color, Science and Weather, Shapes, Numbers, Feedback, and High Frequency Words. Volume 3, Food and Nutrition, Human Body, Connector Words, More Shapes and Numbers, and More High Frequency Words, A through M. Volume 4, Math, Occupations, Clothing, Plants, School, Health and Safety, Sports, Transportation and Vehicles, and More High Frequency Words, N through Z. And then Volume 5 is Home, New Category, and New Words for Volumes 1 through 4. Pricing. 1 volume is $79.95, and bulk is available for cheaper from VCOM 3D. I saw that if you purchase 1 and 2 together, it's only $150 compared to $160. My recommendation is that this product is helpful, and I would recommend it. Having signs associated with words helps vocabularies and cognitive thinking. It is not that expensive, but I don't know how supplying a full school would work either. I read other reviews saying it is helpful to students and enjoyable, but also others criticizing the way they sign, like their American Sign Language, I guess, and what English sign is, like written sign, something like that. And I think despite that, there are mostly benefits to this product.